Hey y'all, welcome to my channel once again. I hope you guys are having a good day. Today we have another good recipe for you. We're going to show you how to make our curry lamb. Sit back and relax and let's get into the video. So here we have about a pound of lamb chops. We're going to need some vinegar to wash our meat. We have paprika. We're going to season it with some ground cumin, some onion powder, some black pepper. You can just use whatever seasonings you like on your meat, but I choose to use those. You see I have garlic powder, Creole seasons, some sazon, pimento seed, and the meat of the matter here, better pack curry, and some ginger and olive oil. So we're going to cut these in cubes or whatever size you like, and just sit back and watch as I show you how to cut your lamb chops. So once you're done cutting your lamb chops, you're going to add about a cup of vinegar to your meat and wash and rinse 2 times. You can wash it with some lime juice, and then you're going to dry it with some paper towel like you see I do here. And then we're going to add those seasonings that I showed you up front. So there you see I add my sazon. This is my onion powder. We're going to be adding some black pepper and all of your favorite seasonings you can use on your lamb chops. Then you're going to add about a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half of curry powder. And then I have some green seasonings that I blended. You can watch my other video to see how I made that. And then I crushed my pimento seed. And I'm using a clove of garlic or 2 if you'd like. And then once you're done with that, then you're going to grate your ginger and some thyme. And then you're going to rub those seasoning all the way into your meat, as you see I'm doing here. You want to get it on all the pieces, and the curry covered on all the pieces as well. And then you see I'm adding a little bit of oil on it just to make sure my seasoning is well into my meat. And there you see my finished product. And so now we're going to cover and marinate overnight. So welcome back everyone. I'm adding some grapeseed oil to my skillet. I'm putting some thyme and a clove of garlic and about a teaspoon and a half of curry powder. And we're going to make that burn for a minute or 2. And then we're going to start to put our lamb inside of the medium to high heat skillet. Once that's done, you're just gonna let it burn for a little bit, or brown would be the best choice of word here, because you want to get a little bit of color on the curry before you start to add water. And so it springs up some water at our first covering, which was about 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'm gonna stir it again just to get out some of the fat that is lying within the lamb chops. You see the little brown color that it's getting from sitting in the skillet. And we're going to do this several times. Here I've added some of boiling water, or not so much boiling, but hot water. And once that is condensed, then I will stir once again, because you don't want it to burn. And then there you see I'm showing you how I pour about a cup of water each time, and you're going to do that repeatedly until the meat is cooked, which depending on how low a flame you use, and the type of lamb chops that you got can be up to 2 hours or less. There I'm testing after about an hour. You see I cut right through the meat, but I wanted it to be a little bit more soft after I tasted it. And then I made it condense all the way down till you see I'm using a napkin to remove the excess oil, and then you see I took out that with a spoon, which I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. So there I'm going to put my fresh herbs and spices. You see I have onion, green onion, ginger, carrot, potato, thyme, and I've put all of that in my skillet. And there is the oil that I skimmed. You can see how much oil we got from our lamb chops, apart from what I got up with the napkin. So now we're going to season up our meat once again with the seasonings that we've used before. You can just add whatever you like. Here I'm putting ground cumin. I put some red pepper for heat. You can add habanero or scotch bonnet pepper as well. Garlic powder, smoked paprika, all the seasonings that you like. And once we finish adding all our favorite seasonings, then we're just gonna pour some broth on it. You can use whatever broth you have. I have some chicken broth, so that's what I'm gonna be using. And then we're gonna try to get all the seasoning in our sauce and off our meat, so it soaks up all the goodness. You want to smell the scent that is inside the kitchen. It was lovely. Just stir it around as you see I'm doing here, and then you're gonna cover it on medium to low flame and let all the carrot and the potato cook, which, since those are small potatoes I've cut in cubes, will take about 5 to 7 minutes to cook. We thank you so much for watching our videos. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, like, follow, share for more content, and turn on that notification so you do not miss any of our videos. And once it's uploaded, you will be notified. So there you see I was able to cut my sweet potatoes, and then I'm able to take up my meat with the fork. And there I'm testing the potatoes again, and this is the finished product. And I served it up with some rice and peas and vegetables, with some cinnamon sugar infused plantain. And there you have it. See you on the next video. Bye.